नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओतून इयत्ता 7वी विज्ञान या विषयासाठी असणाऱ्या ब्रिज कोर्स अर्थात सेतू अभ्यासक्रमाच्या सोडवलेल्या कृतीपत्रिका म्हणजेच वर्कशीट्स शेअर केलेल्या आहेत। हा कोर्स 45 दिवसात पूर्ण करायचा असल्याने हा व्हिडिओ विद्यार्थी व शिक्षकांसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त असणार आहे। शासनाने दिलेल्या वेबसाईटवर हा कोर्स मराठीतून उपलब्ध आहे। मात्र हंसिनी चॅनलवर तुम्हाला सेमी इंग्लिश व इंग्लिश मीडियमसाठी आवश्यक असणाऱ्या विज्ञान विषयाच्या सर्व वर्कशीट उपलब्ध होतील। तेव्हा पुढे येणाऱ्या वर्कशीटसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा व अधिकाधिक व्हिडिओ शेअर करा।
Bridge course for Standard 7th General Science Worksheet number 10 Reference of Standard 6 Chapter number 8 Question number 1 Identify the animals from the skeleton in the pictures given below and name them. So you can see the first picture is of a human skeleton. The second picture is of the frog. The third is of the duck. And the fourth one is of the dinosaur. Question number 2. What if there was no bones in the body? Write in your own words. The systems gives a definite shape to the body, provides support, protects the delicate organs inside the body. In this way, the bones are important part of the body. Question number 3. Take a scale and measure the length of the bones of your arms and legs. Repeat this action on your mother, father, sister, brother. Fill the information in the table given below. So the answer of this question, this is an open-ended question, so the answer also will differ from person to person. So try it yourself. Bridge course for Standard 7th General Science Worksheet number 11 Reference of Standard 6 Chapter number 9 Question number 1. Take a ball in your hand and stand on a chair and drop the ball down to determine the type of motion of the ball. Type of motion of the ball is random motion because ball has no definite direction to its motion. Question number 2. Give some examples of linear motion in your daily life. So the examples are motion of soldier on a parade, girl coming down from a slide, bullet fired from a gun, elevators, sliding a door. Question number 3. Explain the difference between uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion with an example. So we will see uniform linear motion. When the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time is the same, the motion is called uniform linear motion. Its examples are motion of marching soldiers. Non-uniform linear motion is when the distance is traversed by an object along a straight line in the unit time keeps on changing, the motion is called non-uniform linear motion. The examples are motion of a girl coming down the slide. Question number 4. List the moving objects in your observation. The hands of clock, merry-go-round, pendulum of clock, wings of bird, motion of fan and ride of a bicycle. Bridge course for Standard 7th General Science Worksheet number 12 Reference of Standard 6 Chapter number 9 Question number 1. Find out the types of motion in the area by listing the various objects that are moving in the area. So the objects are the hands of clock is a periodic motion, pendulum of clock is the oscillatory motion, marching of soldiers is a linear motion, and butterfly is a random motion. Question number 2. Identify the types of motion from the figure given below. So the first figure you can see for fan, that is circular motion. For the cycle is the linear motion. For the butterfly is the random motion, and the moving toy which is moving in circular, so it will come as circular motion. Question number 3. If a vehicle covers a distance of 350 km in 7 hours, how much distance does the vehicle cover in 1 hour? Solve using the formula. So we will write the formula first. Speed is equal to distance traversed upon time required for traversing the distance. So speed is equal to 350 kilometers upon 7 hours. So you will get the answer as speed is equal to 50 kilometers per hour. Question number 4. Try and find. The A part. Observe the swing while moving the swing and describe the type of motion. The swing always comes back from one end to other end. It takes about the same time for each swing or oscillation. Therefore, such type of motion is called oscillatory motion. The second one is observe the birds flying in the sky and identify the type of motion in them. The wings of bird swing in the air, therefore the motion is oscillatory motion. The third one is ride a bicycle on a straight road, and while cycling your bicycle, observe bicycle's wheel, identify the type of motion. While riding a bicycle on a straight road, the motion is linear motion, but the wheel of bicycle completes each round along a circular route. Therefore, it is a circular motion. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, Worksheet number 13, Reference of Standard 6th, Chapter number 10. Question number 1. Let's take activity and understand. The A part. Observe your ride a bicycle and identify the types of forces that work for it. The gravitational force, muscular force, and frictional force. B part. Take a spring and press it to the both ends. Identify what force you should use for this. So we will use here muscular force. Question number 2. Let's practice. Identify the force used in the given picture and mark it. So here it is a bullock cart. So the muscle strength. Question number 3. What causes the ball to move while playing football? Tell me how it changes direction. While playing football, ball gets motion because of frictional force, and ball changes its direction due to the muscular force applied by the player.